of small and high precision. DR Drive is located in the center of opening the new world. Humans' lifestyle has been changed, and unexperienced new robots are coming widely. Robots existed in fixed forms connected to wires, are now evolving into free-moving forms in the outside environment. The same changes are taking place in the future mobility, represented by electric vehicles. Future mobility, especially electric vehicles, also use batteries, motors, and reduction gears instead of conventional internal combustion engines. However, the current reduction gears have limitations in developing ultra-small, high-efficiency robots. The existing reduction gears have high production costs. In addition, the gear used to be destroyed by unexpected external impacts, and the efficiency was drastically reduced due to temperature drop, so it could only be used by adding a separate device together with reduction gears. Therefore, DR Drive has developed a new type of DRG model that complements the weakness of the existing reduction gears. DRG has two internal gears with different tooth numbers that are rotating by being bitten by a single external gear. It has the principle that the reduction ratio is determined by the different numbers of teeth on the internal gears. This principle has the advantage of being compact and being able to withstand stronger forces than existing reduction gears. Through this advantage, DRG can be applied to robots or equipment that have been continuously used for a long time. Robots that work at high speeds, and medical, military robots that require strong power. In addition, the structure is relatively simple and the number of parts is reduced, so it is highly cost competitive. In the future, with the technology of DR Drive, along with robot innovation, there will be advances in all industries such as smart cars, humanoids, defense, and space industries. DR Drive will lead the future industry through stronger and more innovative technology development.